This is an activation of the Amber Alert system. This is the Idaho State Communications Center. We have just received this important information regarding a child abducted, taken from Jerome, Idaho. ISP is looking for a child who is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Delia. She is a 15-year-old, female with black hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing dark gray sweater, blue jeans, gray Jordan shoes. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of Francisco Vargas Pegueros, age 23, and they may be traveling in a black 2007 GMC Yukon TX plate TZK7776 that is traveling through Utah, possibly in Colorado. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact 911 immediately.